you, where you been? I could
Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Flawless Shanti, and today I have my Boxy charm. So I'm pretty excited about Boxy charm. I got my first one last month, and I thought it was pretty good. Like, I thought it was actually amazing. Actually, I enjoyed it like a lot. So it might be my favorite box so far. Okay, so this is February's box. This I actually got January's box in the beginning of this month. So you saw that video. I posted it like February 5th, which was weird but I thought, anyways. But this is February's box. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. I already just unsealed it here, and we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Let's see. Okay, and of course it says here, "Hello Charmers," Boxy charm top there, and it says, I guess this is the thing for this month, is Afterglow. And then the other side have all the products, and it has prices and products on this side. Okay, and this is what my box looks like. It's the one thing I will say, it's packed very neatly. Like, everything is in its place. It's so adorable, and it's like this cushion, like, I like that they put that in there. So yeah, they took time to like put it together, let's just say that. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the first thing in here. I'm gonna grab this here. It's this is from Pharmacy. It says Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. That's what it says. This is what it looks like here. I'm not really a facial cleanser kind of person, but I'll take it. My best friend actually got the same box. If I'm not mistaken, she told me she liked this a lot. So let's see what it says here. It says Pharmacy. Smooth and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser, made for daily use. Keep those with sensitive skin in mind. I'm sorry. It is formulated with naturally derived ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, and powerful botanical blends of turmeric, chamomile, aloe, and licorice root. Interesting. And that retails for $22. This is interesting. And this is 3.4 ounces. So that's that. Maybe I will try it. We'll see. Since I never used like this kind of stuff, like facial stuff, maybe I will try it. Next, I'm gonna grab this here. This is the No Problem Primer, and it says smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. Yeah, and this is this here. I actually got, you know how you use your this is 1.1 ounces. You use your like extra stuff in your Ipsy. I use that, and I got a small one of these. So I do have this, which I haven't yet tried it yet though. So this that. And this, let's see what it has on here. Touch and Soul. It says retail for $18. Create a seamless canvas for your foundation and new Touch and Soul No Problem. The light, silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen acts as adhesive, holding tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. I like the sound of that. Okay. And then we're gonna grab next thing in here is this. This says Tresinique. Let me see. I could be saying that wrong. What's that? This is, I don't even know what this is. Maybe it's a crayon. Let's see what it says. This says Prime and Lip Glaze Crayon. The 2-in-1 lip duo features luxurious lip smoothing primer on one end and a shiny glaze on the other end, priming smooth side. Create a super smooth canvas and the glaze. Where am I seeing this? 2-in-1. Hold on, look at it. And it says leave behind the pop of soft shiny color. $25. Oh, it's right here. It says primer inside. I'm assuming at the bottom. Oh, here it is. Okay. And this is at the bottom. This is like a little primer. Oh, wow. At the bottom here, and then it goes back in there. And I think the top, and this is like the color here. Wow, okay. I think it's magnetic too. Yeah, I felt that. It's magnetic. Let's see the color. It was like kind of like a glossy. Let's try it out. I might like this. So start with the primer. It don't smell like anything. Okay. And then this side with the lip here. Nope, it's like really faint. No, I was trying to see what it smelled like, but it don't smell like anything. I like this. I like that it's light. I like that it looks dark on here, but it's not. This is very nice, actually. Interesting. I like that. And let's see who's next. Okay. I love this stuff. Let's just say that. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I have tried this before, and I'm excited to have another one. Let's see. That's how the brush looks. I can't even try this on because I have on that mascara I tried from Ipsy bag, so. But that's that. I have no idea what she's doing. She's been like running around for like 3 hours now. Better Than Sex mascara. I'm sorry, I didn't read that. It says, indulge in this mascara is actually linked to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara separates coats and curls each lash to its voluminous perfection. It says $24. Okay? So, okay. And the last thing that's in here is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmer Swan Highlight. It says allows your skin to capture the light in the room when you walk in with its unique velvet smooth highlighter infused with glowing, light reflecting, and pearl sense pigments. This highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. This is $32. And this looks like this. This is a Pretty Vulgar. This is pretty packaging. I like the packaging. A little, if I can open it up. Oh, there it goes. And that's that. Let me see. Let's try it out. Oh, it feels really, really smooth. Let's try it. And that's that here. This is that. This is cute. I think overall, my BoxyCharm, I got really good stuff. Yeah, I like everything that I got in my BoxyCharm. I think everything this month is really nice. I will see me using all of this stuff. Even though I always say I don't use skincare products, I think I'm actually going to try this one. I think that I got really good stuff this month. So, comment down below. Let me know how you like your BoxyCharm. And if you got the same box as me, or if you got, I think there's a different version of the box. If you got that one, let me know what you do or do not like. You know, interact in the comments. I'm all for talking, you know. Like, comment, subscribe. Remember that self-love is the best love. And don't forget to follow my socials. It's flawless_me with 3 E's. And I'll see you guys in my next video.